Hello and welcome to the Peej's workshop. Going to be weathering this box car here. It's a Bachmann. Had it for a very long time. Going to be using a little technique others have used, using these markers, a brown and a French gray. Whoa. So, just go up and down the rivet lines where you think most grime and dirt would get to, and rust. The good thing with these markers, I believe they're alcohol based, so you can just they take a little while to dry, or they're just water based. I don't know. They worked. I like them. They're old too. I don't even know if you can still get these. So if you mess up a little bit, you just rub it off and it looks good when you do it. Now just dip a cotton swab or a Q-tip into some rubbing alcohol and just drag it down. Like little dabs here and there. I find it easy to soak one end of the Q-tip with alcohol, rubbing alcohol. Leave the other end dry, so that you can wipe it off and dry it out. Pretty much stays where you want it to be. So get all the nice streaks you want. Dirty it up. Just continue doing this till you get what you want. See, looks great. Now with this bit, I'm going to use some hairspray dirt technique. So you spray on the hairspray, soak it like this, and then dump some dirt on it. Ooh, yeah, a little bit too much there. Yeah, whoops. Just a bit too much. So a big clunky bit there. But which is fine. The good thing with hairspray is a little water will reactivate it and you can wipe it off, which I'll do later. Here I'm just chucking some dirt on it without any hairspray. It sticks to the ink of the marker there, and it actually, the dirt clings. So when I do spray with hairspray, it stays there and it tones down the shininess of the car. At least to me it does. And then I go in with the normal stuff, but it tones it down a bit. Even as I wipe it away, it's hard to tell on the camera, but the shininess of the plastic and the paint and the model has toned down a bit. Did both ends pretty much the same way. Look good. Damp cloth wipes most of that off the roof. Still looks good. Still looks like it's been out there in the elements. And here it is, where we began. And where we ended up. Dirtied up the trucks a bit. The Middletown and New Jersey short line has seen better days. Let's check it out on the layout. Well, that's all for me for now. See ya!